Why do you not recommend Amazon FBA? I'm confused of what is more beneficial in the long term. When I first started in 2016, that's what I actually sold on Amazon. I was making about $30,000 profit per month. And then after a year, my business went down to $4,000 profit per month. Mind you, I had just bought a house, retired my parents, my mortgage was close to $3,000. So I was like, fuck. So it happened to all of my colleagues, okay? Basically what happens with Amazon is they're able to see everything on the back end. They have access to your seller account, so they could see everything from who your suppliers are, how much you're getting the product, so on and so forth, right? So if they see a product is selling really well, they go and sell it themselves. They undercut you, right? So they go and contact suppliers and they're able to buy a shit ton of inventory, so they even get it at a cheaper price. So if they went and bought 1 million units and getting them for like 50 cents on the dollar, and you're selling your product for $30, they turn around and sell it for 10, you're fucked.